Hi, I'm Keri and I'm founder of Kerikit, versatile bags for busy lifestyles. And today I am so excited because underneath here I've got the brand new amber and I'm going to show it to you now. We've got it coming in a number of colours. We've got the black leather, we've got the gorgeous dove grey, we've got the light nylon, which is great if you want to pack it inside a suitcase and use it when you get to your destination. We have the antique rose, and then last but not least we have the gorgeous toffee. So let's dive in now and I'm going to show you how I would pack it if I was taking it away, if I was a new mum, or if I was a mum boss, or if I was just blissfully being me. I've designed my bags so that they can be really versatile and they can fit into any life that you might want to lead. I'm going to take you around the outside of the bag first. So on the front here, I've got a gorgeous little section that I like to keep just for myself. So if I want easy access to items, I keep them in here. On the sides, you've got two zip pockets, so you can use them for whatever you like. And again, I'm going to show you about those later on. We've got this gorgeous little luggage tag, which we can personalize for you. And it's just a really nice detail. So if you're giving it as a gift, or if it's for a new baby, it's really nice that you can add your initials on there, or you can add the initials of your baby. Taking you around the side of the bag now, we've got this great little pocket. So if you're traveling somewhere that you feel might not be so safe, you've got this back pocket here where you can put your purse, store anything that you want safely away, your passport for example, zip it up, and then when it's on your back, you know that no one can get access to it and it's not on the front of the bag. Then we've got this great little pocket at the back, and this one is for you to put an iPad or a small laptop. We'd probably say up to a 12-inch laptop fits in here, and again I'm going to show you that in a little while. On the sides, you've got these little D-rings. These are great because you can then attach the backpack to your pram if you're using it in baby mode. And if not, you can just attach gorgeous little accessories to it just to make it even more unique and special. So we've got this great grab handle and we've got these beautiful padded straps as well. These are gorgeous. They are all adjustable. They're all leather trimmed. They've got this little loop as well, so they house away the strap when you've got it at a length and you don't want them to be flying around. And then these are really cute. So at the back here, you can see we've got these two little details. This is so it can slide over a trolley bag. So if you're traveling and you've got it in travel mode, you can take it through the airport, you've got nothing on your back at all, and you don't need to worry about it falling off and bashing your ankles. So let's dive inside and I'm going to show you now the interior. So as you saw, the zips are so soft, they're like butter. You can do them with one hand, which is great if you're in baby mode and you need to get access to things quickly. I'm going to lift it up now and try and show you the inside of it. So here inside you can see what we have are 4 pockets around the outside. What's great about this is that when you're packing it and you want to get easy access, everything is in place and you can get to it really, really easily, especially if the bag is full. And again, I'm going to show you that later and show you how that works so well. Back here, we've got a really cute little ring. You can use that to put your keys on, or you can use it for a dummy or a pacifier. And then here we've got a security pocket. So if you want to have things really securely housed away, that's the perfect pocket to do that. Okay, I'm really excited now to show you this bag. This is a toffee colour and I'm going to show it you in baby mode. Okay, so I've got everything laid out here today that I think you need for a day out with baby. You're going to need your milk bottles. They go at the front of the bag where we've got insulated bottle holders. There are actually 4 on this bag. The outside bottle holders are insulated and also the ones at the front are too. And they'll just slip down there and you can probably fit any size bottle that you want. These are quite wide and we've made sure that with the elastic that they will accommodate most size bottles for you. Then you're going to need your wipes. Okay, the wipes are going to go in at the side here into the elasticated pocket, and you've got your nappies or your diapers depending which country you're in, and they're going to go down the other side. What's great is that you've still got all the inside open and easy to see, but everything is held in place now, so you know where everything is and it's really easy to grab it when you need it most. If you're buying the Kerikit as a baby bag, then we have the changing mat. This is really beautiful. It's all machine washable, it's all waterproof on both sides, and it's really nicely padded. You can just lay it down by the side of you and then you've got easy access to all the items that you need inside your bag. And it also folds up really nice and small as well. So I'm going to put that down now inside the bottom of the bag. In addition to that, you're probably going to need a spare pair of clothes. So I'm just going to put a few of them in here. And again, this comes with every bag. It's our multi-use zip top bag. You can put it in here, pop it in your bag, and you know the rest of your bag is going to be protected as well. Little things that you might need for baby, like bottom cream and things like that. Cocozo is a great brand that I would really recommend. And this is the Kitten Kin. That's a little baby oil. I'm going to put those in down the side there so I've got easy access later on. Of course, you're going to need a teddy bear. I'm going to pop that down there, and maybe a notebook so you can keep some notes during the day of the things that you need to do and make sure that you have yourself completely organised. Now, as you can see, there's still loads of room in there if you want to add anything else in. So I'm going to pop in an umbrella. Now again, you can put the umbrella on the outside if you want for easy access, and as I said, this is all waterproof, so if you did want to put it on the outside here, the rest of the bag will stay completely dry. Water, so you stay hydrated, really important as a new mother. And these are two-way pockets, so you can zip them up a little bit and that will keep everything in place. So that takes us now to the front of the bag. I'm going to close that up and I'm going to take you into the front section here. So this is really great because I can get easy access to anything that I need. I'm always in need of a pen and a pencil. I always want to have my lip gloss, so that just goes down the side here. Anything else that you might need, such as a hand cream, that can go in this little pocket too. And you've got loads of room to have extra bits if you need to. Other bits that you might need would probably be either a small purse. So this is the new Mo Money that's going to be launching for spring summer. It's a cute little thing. I'm going to talk more about that later, but that would slip in there really easily. Or if you do have a full purse, you've got this little pocket at the back where you can just slide that in, close it up really easily. And as I said, no one then knows that it's there. Moving around to the other side, you've got your digital nanny. Now, we all hope that we're not going to need one, but the reality is that we will. When they're really young, it's great for you. When they get a bit older, they're going to want to use this all the time. You can keep it hidden from them in here, and you can also keep it nice and safe. I'm pretty much good to go now. And that just leaves me with my sunglasses and my hairbrush, which again, I might just pop those in the top. So I've got easy access later, and I am ready to go out for the day. I'm going to show you on my back now. So I'm a size 10, and I'm about 5'7", I would say. This is how it looks on. As you can see with the padded straps, it's really, really comfortable. That's fairly full, so it gives you a good idea of how it looks on the body when it's quite full. As I said, you have got the adjustable straps so that if you want to wear it lower on the body, then you have got the option of changing that as well. So just to show you really quickly, these are our buggy clips that we've developed. They're great because they can just clip onto the D-rings here. This bit goes around the pram, and then this stays on the pram the whole time. And then when you want to release the bag, you basically just unclip it, take the bag out for the day. These will then stay on the pram. There's a pair of them, and they're just really sweet. They're £15 a pair, and you can get them on our website. So that's it. That's the Amber with Toffee, all set out for baby, leaving you hands-free for kisses and cuddles with your little one. I'm now going to do the next video, and that's going to be the Amber in Dove Grey, and we're going to set that one up for business. So now I'm really excited to show you the Amber in Dove Grey, and I'm going to do a packing video to show you how you can use this as a great work bag. If you've got a daily commute to consider, now you can just do it in style. All the items are over here. Okay, so internally it's exactly the same as we've showed you before with the toffee colour. And now it's time to pack it. I'm going to need my glasses for work, and I'm going to put those down at the side. I probably need a hairbrush to keep me going throughout the day, and maybe some perfume, because if I'm going from day to night, I'm going to need to freshen up a little bit. And they're also great because they're so fashionable that you can go day to night and no one's going to think it's a work bag or a changing bag. They're just going to think it's a really stylish bag that you've got on your shoulder. Sunglasses, because in England we could get sunshine, but equally in England we could get rain. So I have my umbrella in here as well. Other things I'm going to need is maybe just a little bit of makeup. I'm going to pop those down in the front pockets, and probably maybe some hand cream. I don't go anywhere without my hand cream. So if you're heading into the office and you want to take your own lunch in with you, this is the perfect bag. It comes with every style of Kerikit. It's waterproof lined, so you can put your Tupperware in there, you can put an apple. We all know what happens when a banana sits in the bottom of the bag and gets completely squashed. Well, now you don't have to worry because it'll be in here, and if it does get squashed, the rest of your bag will be fine. I'm going to zip that up, and I'm going to pop that down into the main body of the bag. Apart from that, I probably would just pop my notebook in here because I may want to grab that super quick. And I think that's kind of everything that I need in the main part of the bag. As you can see, there's still loads of room. So I've used this bag on multiple occasions, as you may have seen on my stories, as an overnight bag. And there's ample room in here to do an overnight stay as well. And last but not least, a place to hang my keys. So I'm just going to pop those on here so that if I'm going somewhere, there's no more rummaging around in the bottom of your bag ever again if you put them nice and safe over here. Okay, so that's the main part of the bag done, and now we're going to hop on to the front part. So in here, this is where I have all my easy access items. I tend to have this as my own little area. So I've got a place here to put my pen and my pencil, You can put some medication. I can't go anywhere without having a hair bubble, so I always put one in here along with a Kirby grip, and that way I know that I've always got it in case of emergency, and you're kind of good to go. Business day, you might want to have your business card holder. So this is the new Pippa business card holder. Again, you can get them personalised, which is really cute. I'm going to do another video on our smaller accessories later, but because you've got your business cards, you might want to pop those down the front, and you could either take your Mo money with you, or if you want to travel light, you can just slide your card into one of the credit card holders. There's 4 here, and then zip it up, and you know you've got it for easy access. Taking you now round to the side of the bag. So you've got this little zip pocket here. This is the new Tilly that we're doing to match the bags for spring summer. Again, really excited to show you these. I'll be showing them in another video, but you can just slide it in there, pop it away, zip it up, and you're good to go. On the other side, because I'm going into the office, I've got my laptop. So this is a 12-inch laptop, and I would say this is probably the maximum size that you would want to put inside the Amber. So you just need to zip it out here, slide it in, zip it up, and you know that it's housed away. It's completely watertight as well, so if it does rain, it's going to be safe and secure, and nobody knows that you've got it. You've got a really nice padded section throughout the back of the bag, so when you have got it on your back, it's really comfortable to carry. And then last but not least, I like to stay hydrated, so I've got my water, and that's a 2-way zip as I mentioned before, so you can zip this up to keep it in place, and then obviously my phone. So I would probably put my phone in the front if I was somewhere that was nice and safe and I didn't need to worry. Zip it up, and there you go. I'm going to show you this one on as well. So that's it now full. Looks great, feels great, super comfortable. So there you have it, my Amber in Dove Grey, ready for a busy day out. This one, as I said, is $2.95. We're now going to do another quick packing video, and we're going to just show you how you can pack the Amber for a blissful day just being you. Last but by no means least, we have the Amber in Rose, and I'm going to show you now how you pack this if you are fortunate enough to have a day just to yourself. You might be travelling, you might be having a day out in London, you might be going to see friends, staying over for the night, and I just want to show you how I would pack this bag if I was going on an overnight stay. Now, I've done that many times, so I've kind of just pulled together everything that was in the black Amber that I was using the other day, and I'm just going to show you the items that I took when I went down to London and how this bag served me so well. Internally, exactly the same as before. So I was heading out, and what I needed to take with me, first of all, was going to be a spare set of clothing. Now, I've used the zip top bag in this instance to put my spare clothes in. Reason being is that when I went to the British Library, they search me, and they search your bag, and I don't really want them to see my underwear. So first item that goes in is going to be my spare clothes for my next day in London. Then I'm going to need some other items such as my deodorants, my hand creams, some perfume, and I'm going to put all those down the side of the bag here so that I've got easy access to them. I need my hairspray. If you're staying in a hotel, you might want to take some salts so that you can have a nice relaxing bath at the end of a busy day walking around sightseeing, or some little bath oils, so I'm going to put those in there as well. I'll need a bit of makeup. So this is the Bodhi Clutch in Leopard. This is my go-to bag at the moment for my makeup, and it's got everything I need in there for an overnight stay. So I'm going to pop that in there too. And as you can see, still loads of room. Earphones, like to have some music while I'm traveling around, also when I'm on the train, so I'm going to pop those in there. I'm going to need some sunglasses in case the sun shines, and I'm going to need an umbrella in case the sun doesn't shine and we have rain, which in England is quite regular. In addition to that, I will probably need something so I can do some reading. I'm going to put that in the front, and I'm probably going to want to take a little notepad as well. So I'm going to pop that down there in the back. So again, you can see inside, everything's laid out, everything's really organised, and if I need to get something really quickly, I don't need to take everything out. I can just go, oh, I need my reading glasses. Oh, I have my reading glasses, and then I can put them back in again. So that's probably everything that I need in the main part of the bag. So let's go over now to the front section. In here, I'm going to put, similar to before really, I may decide I only want to travel light, so I'm going to probably take my Mo money. It's going to have a card or two in there, and it's really all I need for an overnight stay. So I'm going to pop that down in the front. Again, if you want more security, you can pop it in the security pocket at the back, and that just goes around here and slides in there. In addition to that, I might need some medication. I may also want to have a nice night out, so I'm going to put my earrings in this little elasticated pocket as well, so I know where to find them and I can pop them on really easily without having to rummage into the rest of the bag. Always take some business cards with me, so I'm going to pop that in the front of the bag as well. And then I'll need a pen and I'll need a pencil so that I can make any notes. If I'm coming up with some gorgeous new designs, I can get easy access to my notebook and I can make some designs really easily. That's kind of it for the front. I would probably put my phone in here again. If you want more security, you could put it on the side, or you can still put it in the back section. There's plenty of room in here to put the phone as well and have that zipped up. So that's the front section done. Oh, maybe I would put my little compact in there, and I would put my lip gloss in here as well. Let's zip that up now. Side pockets, you've got ample room, as you already know, to put your water bottle. The two-way zip means that you can zip it back closed again and it will keep everything nice and secure. Now this is the prototype, so please ignore the black straps here. They are going to be exactly the same as on the other colours, where this goes across like that. As I'm only expecting to do an overnight stay, I probably wouldn't take my laptop because I can do so much on my phone now, but I probably would take an iPad with me so that I can watch a movie if I want to in the evening in my hotel room. And finally, if I was travelling, I would take my Millie. So this is a beautiful travel wallet. Again, we're going to be doing this for spring summer in matching colours to the bags. You can get up to 5 passports if you're travelling as a family, and it's got loads of really nice little features in there where you can house everything that you might need to go away. I'll be doing a video on this too, so I'll show you this another time, but this is the Millie travel wallet, and I may just pop that in the top of my bag because there's still lots of room in there. Final couple of things, just to put a brush and a makeup brush, and I am good to go. Again, I'm just going to show you on the body. So that's it, nice and full. As I said, the whole back section is padded, so it's really comfortable. You've got the padded leather straps so that you can adjust those really easily. And that's it. Now, as I mentioned, this is the prototype, so these now have got a loop that houses them away here, and they have them made a little bit shorter so they're not flapping around. So that's the amber in rose, and hopefully that gives you some ideas about how you can pack your amber, whether you're being a mum boss, or blissfully being you. Last but not least, I'm just going to show you around the amber in nylon, just to give you an idea of the bag. It's exactly the same as the other 4 colourways. We have it here in the black. It's super light, and what I love about this bag is how you can pack it down really flat if you're taking it abroad, and that's kind of one of the reasons that we did it. I'm going to dive inside now and just show it you really quickly, and then I'm going to show you how flat it will pack down as well. So I've just opened it up really quickly to show you. So this is the front pocket. Again, internally it's exactly the same as the leather, and then you've got your 2 side pockets. But what's great is if you want to take it somewhere, it's really light and it will flatten down like that, and it can just go on the top of your suitcase, and then when you get to your destination you can take it out, pop your items in it and use it to travel around. So that's it, that's the amber in nylon. It's a perfect bag for sightseeing. It's super light, it has all the features of the leather, but it's just a nylon version that you can throw in the top of your suitcase. So that's the amber range. I really hope that you enjoyed today. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Just leave me a message on the feed, and I'll do my best to come back to you. We also have our Facebook Kit Girl community. So if you search for Kerikit Kit Girls, then you can sign up, and we do loads of exciting things. We have behind the scenes information going on of new launches. It's a great way to get involved in the brand. What you say and what you want and what you need is really important to me. So I'm quite experienced on what I feel that you need as a new mum. I've worked for 25 years, so I'm quite experienced on what you need as a mum boss or just as a working woman. And also I'm sort of learning as I'm getting older how important it is to have time for yourself and to get that work-life balance. So that's why these bags for me are the perfect item for all 3 things. So that's it from me. If you want to find out any more, then you can head over to our website, www.kerikit.com. It should be coming up at the bottom of the screen for you now. And thank you so much, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.